AI Mastery for Everyone. This course is one of the most exceptional educational programs on artificial intelligence, chatbots, and their services. In this course, we first aim to teach the fundamental concepts, history, and functioning of artificial intelligence. Then, we introduce and compare the most important chatbots, testing them with various prompts. We explore AI services that are useful in everyday life, such as image generation, image-to-video generation, document processing, and music creation. We cover how to make money with AI and take on freelance projects. And finally, we complete the course with a hands-on project, creating a fully AI-generated promotional teaser from start to finish. If you have any questions, they will be answered as quickly as possible. If you are a regular user who relies on AI in your daily life, this course is perfect for you. Whenever a new AI service is introduced by a company, we promptly update the course and provide training on it.